So like if anything flows, it's because of potential. So what's the correct
It
answer?
is because of potential difference. If there is a difference, then only the charges or anything will flow. Charges or material will flow, right? If
Yes,
there
sir.
is no difference, why it will flow?
Okay, sir.
So we are going to discuss today, beta, about electric potential. Try to learn carefully. Electric potential. Before teaching to electric potential, just I am telling one word. This will be common word in your schools or in your friend circle. You will be telling this child is having potential to hit six if it is a cricket field, or you'll say this child is having potential to top in the class, or this child is having potential to score maximum. Generally we use this word.
Yes, sir.
Generally we use this word.
Yes.
So what
Yes,
does
sir.
it mean? If I say now one statement I am telling, you all know Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes, sir.
Sachin has potential to hit or to score more than 100. Yes, more than 100 run. He has potential. Why we say he has a potential? What is the reason? If I say XYZ, that child XYZ has potential to score maximum, has potential to score maximum. Why we are saying all these things?
Because we know they're capable of doing the things.
Yes, so one by one we will be discussing about that. So one student told capable. One is because of capability, right?
Means already in the first example we can take Sachin scored 100 runs. Already he bet 100 runs before match, so he can easily beat again one more 100 after this match.
Yeah, how, on what basis we are? Because of the past track record, and past track record we are seeing, so he has always proving himself. And before that, if you see in the ground, morning till evening he will be practicing daily 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, right?
Yeah, if we will take
If
our
I say
example also, we are also practicing for our exam, so we are getting a good score.
so if I say one student is there, he has a potential to score maximum, means daily he studies perfectly, he revises perfectly, he do all these questions regularly, right? Based on that, he has a track record, means every time he will have a complete focused studies. So all these things require what, beta? Hard work. One thing is common is hard work, right?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
You take any field, either student field or career field, in career as well. If you see two employees there, one employee is getting promotion because of his dedication, commitment, hard work, right? So if I am asking a question in that, potential A and potential B, potential, this is potential A, potential B, it has a potential of say 10 volt, this has a potential of 15 volt. Meaning is this potential B is more, right? This potential B is more. Who would have worked more? A would have worked more or B would have worked more?
B, sir.
B, sir. B, sir.
Understood? B would have worked more. Is it very simple language, beta, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more question I am giving. Minus 10 volt and minus 15 volt. Who would have worked hard?
Minus 10 volt.
Sir, minus 10 volt.
Minus 10 volt.
So again say this is A, this is B. A worked more, right? Direct relation. Now one more question I am giving. Simple language. Electricity chapter I am teaching to all of you, right? In that, let's say student A is there, student B is there. Student A scored out of say 100 marks, student A scored 98 marks, student B scored 94 marks. Who would have done sincere hard work?
Student A.
So A.
You can apply direct relation, beta. A would have really worked very hard. Okay, now one more question I'm asking another way. This is directly related to the electric potential. I will prove that how it will be directly related. A student in first exam, let me say exam 1, he got 80%. Exam B, he got 85%. Exam C, he got 70%. Okay, same person. Tell me what would have happened from 80 to 85%, whether he would have worked more harder or
Work
less.
more.
Sir,
hard.
more.
He would have worked a bit harder.
In this situation, more hard work. In this situation, what would have happened?
Less hard work.
Less hard work.
He would have relaxed now, right?
Yes.
He would have started enjoying.
Yes.
So this is directly related to the hard work. So potential means, the definition of potential we can say, the amount of work done. More you work, more potential will be developed. Less you work, less potential will be developed. Is it clear? Amount of work done. If you open the book, in the book clearly it will be mentioned. That is book is definition. Amount of work done to bring a unit test charge in the electric field is known as electric potential. Same way, how to define gravitational potential? Amount of work done to bring a unit mass in the gravitational field is called gravitational potential. So everywhere, what is common? Please understand. What is common, beta? Potential definition, how to define? This is my test field. This is my field actually. This is my test field. And you have to bring another positive charge. If you are bringing, what will happen? You are going to work hard or less? Because this plus is there,
Work
it is
hard.
going to repel. You have to work hard to bring this test charge in his test, in his premises. So how to define electric potential? Amount of work done to bring. This is common actually. This you remember, this is common, amount of work done, that's all. To bring unit test charge. Unit means 1. Amount, that magnitude should be 1 coulomb unit test from where? Infinity to infinity to any specific point of the electric field. So you are going to work hard to bring that particular point from infinity to here. Now you understand, as an example, beta, this is a bucket now. This is a bucket now. If you wanted to pour water in that, you are going to work hard to pour water. Little bit you are pouring the water. Every moment you are working hard. The more you are working, water level is increasing. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you wanted to
Yes.
pour more water, so automatically it will be poured, or you have to do hard work so that it will be, this level will be increasing.
Hard work.
You have to pour every moment, every water drop you have to pour it, right? So same way, if I say this is one part, you are putting one charge now. From infinity we have brought, you have kept one charge. Another moment you have brought, you have kept one more charge here now. Another moment you have brought one more charge you have kept. So what is happening now? Electric potential is increasing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now if I say, beta, there is a charge here now. In this bucket situation, one more we will see. You have done, you have increased this potential. right? This is you have increased. Other bucket is there, you have not worked at all. This is totally empty. What will happen if I'm connecting now and I have made this opening? I have made this opening. What will happen? What will flow now? Water will start flowing, right?
Yes.
Until when it will flow? Until this both level is
Equal.
equal. Same way through anything flows until their potential, their both potential is same. So this is called, whatever level is there, this much is having potential. Is it clear, beta? For gravitational
Yes, sir.
potential, it depends on the height. More height, more potential. Less height, less potential. In electric charges, same way, more voltage, more potential. One more question I'm asking to all of you. How many of you are aware this is called cell? You all are aware?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For a
Yes.
household cell,
Yes.
what is the
Yes,
potential
sir.
difference? 1.5 volt. Yes or no? For
Yes,
a
sir.
household cell, what is the potential difference? 1.5 volt. Today you can just, after this class, take out any cell and you can see that it will be mentioned 1.5 volt. This portion is called positive, this portion is called negative. So this is called potential difference, not potential. This is called potential difference. One question to all of you. If my, say this is terminal A, this is terminal B. If VA is 100 volt, find VB. VB will be how much? Reply me privately.
Sir, what? Can you repeat again?
This is a cell. Cell ka potential difference is 1.5 volt. A terminal is positive, other terminal is negative. If I say VA is 100 volt, what would be VB? Potential of B. Reply me privately. If you don't know, write IDK. New students, please have a habit of writing IDK, so that I will explain once again. And fastest answer is by Harini. She is wrong. Pranav, you are right, beta. Very good. Mohit, very good. No problem. You may, everyone may say write IDK, so that I will have understanding. Vivek, very good, but sign is wrong, beta. Magnitude, you are right.
Yeah, sir. Like instead of enter, I clicked it.
Very good. You all please reply. If you are not knowing, not a crime. Write IDK. I will understand. I will not take a name also. Kavya, very good, but it is wrong, beta. Okay. Still few students have not replied. I expect everyone be sincere. No need to worry. Please write IDK. If you write IDK, I will be more happy rather than hiding your weakness. If you are knowing, please reply it back. Bhumika, very good, beta. You are right. Perfect. Okay. So most of students have mentioned IDK, and I will explain better how to find. Please understand, it is called potential difference. If I say your marks difference is, in the previous year you got say 98 marks, or and this year I told there is a marks difference of how much? 2 marks. There is a difference, and downside you have reduced 2 marks downside. So what would be the new marks, beta?
96.
96. You have decreased, your marks has been decreased from 9, earlier it was 98, now it is 96. Then only difference will be 98 minus 96. You have come down, you have reduced. So same way, if I say this terminal is 100 volt, right? This is 100 volt, and
Yes.
this is at higher place, this is at lower place, and difference is how much? 1.5. 1.5 less or more? This is negative. No, negative means lesser side, we say. Positive means upside. How much is less? This is called delta V. Delta V is how much, beta? 1.5. And delta V means this is higher side, this is lower side. So delta V, can we say VA minus VB? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1.5, VA is 100, and VB is being asked. So VB will be how much? 100 minus 1.5. Yes or no?
So like why we are taking delta V, so why we are like specifying it is delta?
Difference. It is mentioned between both the terminal. I told no, you take out the cell, you will find it will be mentioned 1.5 volt.
Yes, sir.
I am giving one example. Suppose this is at a higher place, it is called 100 volt. So lower part will be how much? So how much it should be, so that the difference between both should come 1.5.
So I didn't
How much?
understand.
Shouldn't it be 98.5?
98.5.
98.5.
Okay. Harini, you didn't understand. I am giving another example. Now there is a two level now. Say level 1 and level 2. Between this difference is 10 meter. If I say this height is say 100 meter, what would be height of this?
Sir, 90.
So what you are doing, beta?
100 minus 10, sir.
100 minus 10, same thing, no? This is at higher level, this is at lower level. How much you should keep potential of B so that the difference between both should be 1.5. So VA minus VB, what you have done here? If say this is A, this is B. So you are telling HA minus HB is 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Anyone still not understood, may please ask. I will explain once again.
Understood, sir.
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the exact meaning of unit test in the definition?
Unit, whenever we say beta unit mass means M equals to 1 kg. If I say unit charge means magnitude 1. So Q should be how much? 1 coulomb. Unit vector. Have you heard about unit vector?
Yes, sir.
No.
I have data.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, sir.
So there we were talking about magnitude. I was coming how much? 1. J magnitude was coming how much? 1.
1.
K magnitude
also
1. Already I have explained, no, Harini, in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
9th
Previously,
standard you
Yes.
explained.
Whenever unit means magnitude should be 1.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Let me talk to the new student. Truvanya, please tell me, have you understood better? Truvanya, have you understood? You are silent in the class.
Yes, sir.
If you understood, only question to you I am asking. Please reply me orally.
So I have a
Other,
few doubts. So can I ask that later?
sorry?
I have a few doubts. Can I ask that later?
No, you can ask me here itself. No worry at all. Here it is totally cohesive atmosphere. You ask silliest doubt also. Please tell me what is your doubt. Shall I move up?
I have.
Okay, next question I'm asking. Truvanya, please reply me. If VA is 150 volt, VB is 50 volt, what is potential difference between both of these? Potential difference is how much? Please tell me, and other members may reply me privately. If you are making mistake, no need to worry. Please tell me what is the potential difference? 150 and now VB is 50 volt. I received reply privately by so many people, and you all are right except Akshara. Akshara, you have made a mistake, beta.
Okay, sir.
Dipshikha, you have made a mistake. 2 members made a mistake. Truvanya, please tell me. Don't be silent. You can reply me privately as well. If you have not understood, you write IDK.
So I didn't understand.
Okay. So I will explain now. Delta V, potential difference. Between difference means you have to subtract. Between both, what is the difference, beta?
100.
100, that's all. That is the answer. Delta V is, find out the difference. 150 minus 50 is 100. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Dipshika, have you understood, beta?
Yes,
Sorry, who
sir.
had made a mistake? Dipshika, yes. And Akshara, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
One more question I'm asking to all of you. VA is 150 volt. Same question. And VB is minus 50 volt. Find potential difference. Delta V is how much? Please reply me privately, everyone. And fastest answer is by Akshara. She is right. Very good. Now you have corrected.
Now, can you
Mohit,
repeat
very
the
good.
question?
Potential difference. VA is 150, VB is minus 50. So find potential difference. Mohit, very good. Kavya, very good. Pranav, very good. Dipshika, very good. Bhumika, Harini, Vivek, Shreyan, Truvanya. Everyone is right. I'm so happy. Aditi, beta, you have made a mistake. How come? Yukta made a mistake. Okay, no need to worry. Even you are making a mistake, no problem. I'll explain beta. Dekho, please understand. We have to understand through some practical imagination as well. This is called zero level. And ground level we say. 150 means plus means upside. Minus means downside. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is upside how much? 150. Downside how much? Minus 50. So overall from here to here how much it will come beta? 150 you have to travel. Further you have to travel how much? 50. So total will become how much? 150 and 50. It will become 200 or 100?
200.
200. So here delta V is VA minus VB we have to say, right? VA is how much? 150 minus, and VB is already minus 50. So overall it will become 200 because minus into minus plus 200 volt. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt beta? Anyone?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No doubt, sir.
Very good. So potential difference we have understood. Now, more potential difference means more forces. With more forces, current will or charges will flow. Now, I'll say one situation. This situation, this situation, this situation. If charges has to flow, in which condition charge will flow very, very fast, aggressively? In which condition it will flow? Condition 1 or condition 2?
Like, sir, should we message you?
No, only someone can say this is simple, no? If every condition is same, in one condition 100 volt is there, another condition 200 volt is there. Wire is there, same wire, both condition. Here potential difference is 100 volt, here potential difference is 200 volt. And charge has to flow. In which condition it will be moving very fast?
Second one.
Second one, sir.
Second
The
one.
second one?
Very good, very good. So that is the reason you would have studied always I equals to V by R. It is which law beta? It is which law? Ohm's law. This is called Ohm's law. This is called Ohm's law. Acha, you all have never heard this word, Ohm's law?
Sir, first time, sir.
No, sir.
Acha, first time listening. No problem. This is called Ohm's law. Ohm had derived this. One wire he had connected and potential he used to increase. After, as soon as he was increasing the potential difference, he used to find current is more. The more voltage he was increasing, more current. So he derived one
So your
relation.
voice was breaking. Can you repeat what you were saying?
Ohms, that scientist is called Ohm. He did experiment. He applied a potential difference across a wire. More potential difference means more current he got. So
Sir,
from there he derived. So more potential
What
means
is
more
R here,
current.
sir?
So what
Sorry?
is R, sir? What is R?
What is R?
I will explain later on. So this is nothing but I is directly proportional to the V. More V, more current. Till now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will
sir.
explain each and
Yes,
everything.
sir,
I'll
it's
explain
clear.
better. First you learn step by step. Potential you all have understood.
Yes, sir.
Potential difference you all have understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to learn slowly and very simple and easy way. One more question let me ask to all of you. we have discussed beta I equals to Q by T, right? And Q equals to IT. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
this is the formula. Based on that, I am asking the question. Let me see how many of you are replying fastest. Top 5 member, I will be taking the name. If Q equals to 5 microcoulomb, how much? 5 microcoulomb. And time has taken how much? 5 millisecond. Find I. Reply me fast. Fastest answer is by Mohit Vaibhav, and you are wrong, beta. Dipshikha wrong.
Sir, I sent.
And okay. Dipshikha wrong, Shreyan wrong, Kavya right. Very good, Kavya. Akshara wrong, beta. Pranav wrong. Harini wrong. Vivek wrong. Pranav right. Nitya right. Okay. So how to solve? Please understand. Those who are not aware, please try to understand. It's very simple. Whenever we say micro, micro means how much? 10 raised to minus 6.
-6.
This is Q. And this is called milli. Milli means how much? -3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I equals to Q by T. Q is 5 into 10 raised to -6 upon 5 into 10 raised to -3 will be how much? 5 is out. 10 raised to -6 upon 10 raised to -3 equals to 10 raised to -6 and -3. So -6 plus 3.
So -3, sir.
-3 ampere. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Achha, one thing you would have noticed in my style of physics teaching, always in physics you will find mathematics. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, okay. Let it be in fraction. Let it be in fraction. No need to convert into decimal. Please reply me. What would be I? Time is 5 minutes. And correct answer by Kavya till now. And Pranav, very good. Whenever we are solving physics beta question is there, so you have to convert basically in a basic system. Q in coulomb, it should not be in a micro coulomb. Whenever you are solving, micro means 10 raised to -6 coulomb. Okay. And time unit, standard unit we have discussed. What is the SI unit of time? Second. So 1 minute convert into 60 seconds. Now you can solve it. Now 5 into 10 raised to -6 upon 5 into 60. So which is nothing but 10 raised to -6 upon 60 ampere. As since I have given permission to reply in fraction, so you could have replied 10 raised to -6 upon 60. Also that is correct. Is it everyone understood or any doubt?
Yes.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So one question
Sir,
I'm asking,
another
beta.
question.
One question I'm asking, how do you define 1 ampere? Now question is, how do you define 1 ampere? So who will define?
Sir, can I?
Yes, please tell.
So when one column charge travels in 1 second, 1 ampere electricity is produced.
Superb, Kavya. So we know like 1 ampere, how can we get 1 coulomb by 1 second? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
if 1 coulomb charge is passing in how many seconds? 1 second. Then we get 1 ampere current. That's all. Is it tough?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you may write
No.
a definition. You may write a definition. If 1 coulomb charge is passing in 1 second, then we obtain 1 ampere current. If 1 coulomb charge passes in 1 second, then we obtain 1 ampere current. You all have written?
Yes, sir.
One more very simple question, but this question has been asked many times in engineering and medical exam. Are you ready for that?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
This question has been asked many times. Find number of electron in 1 coulomb charge. Let me check how many of you can reply correctly. If you are not aware, say IDK.
Sir, I am first answer is wrong, sir. Can you please check with another?
Mohit, you are really genius child. Kavya, very good beta. Vivek, I think Vivek, just check your typographical error. It seems you are close to the answer. Just check your answer once.
Sir, actually to the power, sir, that is the last.
Okay, but still you check something you have missed in that. Deepshika, very good. Super beta. Aditi, very good. Those who are not aware may write IDK. Pranav, very good beta. Still, I am not finding answer from everyone. If you are not aware, write IDK. Write IDK. Okay, so how to solve this question? We all are aware like Q equals to, these are the formula, you have to note it down. N into E. What is N beta? Whatever the formula is there, I am just making
Number of
such kind of a
charges.
highlight. N is number of electrons. And charge of 1 electron is how much?
1.6 into 10 power minus
1
19.
electron charge is how much? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus
Minus
19
19.
coulomb. So N, it is telling find number of electrons. N is being asked. So N equals to, can we say Q upon E?
Yes, sir.
Q is how much? 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. If we solve, we will get how much beta? 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. This many electrons will be there under 1 coulomb. Okay? Okay.
Yes,
One
sir.
more interesting
I
question
just
I'm asking to
understand
all
one
of
thing.
you. One more interesting question I'm going to ask. Are you all ready?
Doubt.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Here I'm putting now charges. Okay. And this is together 100 volt. There is one more spheres. Here it is, say 40 volt. Now I'm connecting. Now I'm going to connect through a wire. Now I have connected through a wire. I'm going to ask one by one. Let me ask to Akshara. What will happen, beta? Please tell me your opinion.
I think there'll be a flow of charges like from this to the other, from the first one to the
Okay,
other.
let me name A and B. From where
From
to
A,
where?
they'll be from A
A
to B.
to B. Very good. Next is Bhumika. Yes, Bhumika, beta.
Yes, sir. Even my answer is the same.
Dipshika.
A to B, sir.
A to B. Very good. You all are right. Charges, in place of charges, we can specify this is the positive charge, right? We can say positive charge will start moving from A to B. Why it will move? Any reason?
So because A
Because the
has
charge,
It has
A has
So
more
change in
charges
potential.
than
because
B.
A
the
has
charges
more
move from higher
potential.
potential to lower potential.
So what will happen? This charge will start moving from A to B.
B, sir.
One more question. Will it be moving a lifelong or it will get stopped also?
so it will
Sir,
get
until
So
it's
it will
stable,
stop when it
It
gets
stops.
neutralized.
It'll get stopped,
When
sir.
it's equal, it stops.
What will be equal?
When
50,
both
50.
of
it's
the
70,
So when it becomes
70.
70,
70
70
volts
comes.
and 70 volts, then it will
Ha,
stop.
if the potential will be equal, then it will stop. It will not moving. Next question. Are you ready for that next question?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh my God, how to copy this? No problem. I will just take out how to select. Okay, one more question. What will happen in this situation?
So there's no
there will
flow
be
of
no flow.
charges.
There will be no
Charges
flow.
flow.
There will be no flow. So it is as good as open circuit, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There will be no
Yes.
flow of the charges. So many times in the competition, I will tell you better, many times in the competition a question has been asked like this. It will be mentioned. This is with respect to competition, I am telling. Question will be, find the value of I. Please reply me, you all of you, please reply me privately. What is the answer in this question?